All right, guys, still a big time for the episode. So, welcome to JavaScript tutorial. So, this JavaScript tutorial now, just the basic tutorial. If you be beginner, you never do anything concerning JavaScript before, or you never write JavaScript code, you don't know what it be, you know how to use and pass. Now, this tutorial I need to watch for you to understand JavaScript you get. So, now, this JavaScript is one of the three core languages where you need to know for your journey to become done for web design where they try be. Then after you don't learn HTML and CSS, you get. Now, say normally HTML, you don't supposed to know by now based on to understand how to mark up your content, and CSS will be the style sheet now to make that your content fresh. To make it presentable now to your audience, you get. You're supposed to know those two before you jump into JavaScript like that. You get. So now the major aim of JavaScript now to add behavior and interactivity to your websites. Like what is supposed happen when you not type the correct thing for inside the input feed, or what is supposed to happen when you click on a particular button, you get. Most times you go see some developers that they refer to this JavaScript as scripting language. The reason is because they're not really designed JavaScript to work like the way other programming languages like Java, C++, C Sharp, and all those ones. The way that they work, they're not designed JavaScript to work like them. JavaScript main work now, the designer to manipulate web pages, and now that's area I be expert to get. So I not go fit call write desktop application with JavaScript. The way I go fit use programming language like Java take right. Now because JavaScript now you run for inside another application where be your normal web browser, and you not get access to local file system for the computer where they run on. So we not fit to target the hardware of that system like USB ports and other hardware parts you get. So JavaScript now client-side language. Which I try talk, see when you visit any website, whether on your lappy or on your mobile phone, how you take the access website, the JavaScript codes from that website they run for inside that your device. And not be like other languages for the web, such as PHP, Ruby, ASP, like that. When go there inside server, just relax as per landlord doing, so you get. JavaScript not be like that. It go run for inside your device. You get. So although based on say technology is just the advance on instead, JavaScript itself they turn to server side last also Node.js, CouchDB, Wakanda, and all those other ones like that. But we're not going to really discuss reach that side for this our course now. Now just the normal one where you need to know after you don't learn HTML and CSS finish. Now one reason for this our course. So just come on your mind for that side for now. We'll talk about this one when we enter advanced part of JavaScript. That will be on that course. So any shall more see how we take run the course now, more learn JavaScript and more savvy. And before we go jump into the code, or before we start to write JavaScript, good may you know one thing. You hear the programming language called Java. Even though say it name resembles JavaScript, it not mean say the two relate. They not relate in any way. Different moment, different people. They're not near each other at all. They get to at least make that one day on mind for now. Not try to confuse one for the other. You get. Thank you. So any Asha, I'll still be a lawyer boy big time for double Satan. For this course, when I go learn JavaScript and we'll see how we'll use JavaScript and take move our ministry go front more. You get. Alright, now more enter code and we'll see how the JavaScript pass.